This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change a Hyundai Elantra headlight bulb. First, gather your tools: a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and the correct replacement bulb, typically an H11. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down before starting. Open the hood and identify the headlight assembly you need to work on. Safety is paramount, so take your time with each step. To access the bulb, you'll need to remove the two 10mm bolts located on top of the headlight assembly. Once these bolts are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly forward. This creates enough space to work comfortably. Next, locate the electrical connector attached to the back of the bulb. Press the small tab and carefully pull the connector straight off. Now, with the electrical connector removed, you can replace the bulb. Gently twist the old bulb counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to unlock it from its housing. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out. When inserting the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Align the tabs and push it in, then twist clockwise to lock it securely. With the new bulb in place, reconnect the electrical connector, ensuring it clicks firmly. Carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its original position, making sure it seats properly. Reinstall the two 10mm bolts you removed earlier, tightening them securely. Finally, close the hood and turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.